Me and my daughter have been on our hair care journey, me with long brown hair all the way down my back, and my daughter with short, currently red, dyed, dry, and brittle hair. ECOLCHIPRO sent me this moisture collagen shea butter hair mask for dry damaged hair. Mine is dry sometimes. I only use this one on the ends of my hair because the ends of my hair is dry, but more towards my scalp is, normal to oily. So I use this on the links of my hair and it works really well. My daughter uses it everywhere because she needs all that moisture. Her hair's been doing better since we switched from, normal dye to henna dye, and that is making a difference, but definitely hydrating it with a high quality hair mask a couple times a week has greatly benefited her hair. This one is really nice. Comes in a squeezy bottle just like this, and it has a good smell. Definitely been impressed. I have a few other items by this company as well, and everything that I've tried has been phenomenal. So definitely recommend this brand, and especially this shea butter hair mask.